This is the best-selling unit, CCA 1112ACE. The temperature ranges from -20 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius. This is the evaporator, also known as N1210B. OSB 2200, the oil bath, is 220 volts and can go up to 180 degrees. This is the vacuum controller, NVC 3000. There are 4 modes: manual, auto, program, and step program. In manual mode, the settings for the vacuum, rotation of the evaporator, and circulator control can be found. The setting for the oil bath cannot be changed for safety purposes. In auto mode, the vacuum level is automatically optimized to the best level according to the bath, rotation, and circulation settings. It cannot be manually set. Press the Mode button to navigate to Program mode. In Program mode, there are 55 preset programs available for use. Select Acetone to view the presets. The Step Program mode allows users to set the steps for every program. The settings allow up to 99 steps. The pressure, time, condition, and priority can be set. Under the System Parameter 1 controls, the evaporator can be adjusted upwards and downwards. The on and off settings for the auto leak are here. Auto cleaning, cleansing start timer, manual cleaning time, circulate control, and the bath control can be found here as well. Press Menu to navigate to System Parameter 2. Controls for the key buzzer, dial buzzer, alarm buzzer, running buzzer, backlight, and the main/subscreen controls are here. Hit Menu again for System Parameter 3. Pressure and vapor temperature offset, pressure unit, temperature unit, user database reset, and database reset are here. Thank you.